Okumara emyaka n'ebisibo district yacu ruhuretwire neteganisa obw'endwara z'amatungo kandi ahabwa enshonga egi obutare bwosire nibukingwa ekizingamiza omwuga gw'oburiisa omu district egi. Enshonga egi neyegekyerwa obutagira iceberero ry'endwara z'amatungo bito bwa hati World Bank eresireho amatsiko obwanyuma y'okurangirira okukora aha nshonga egi.
Using this soil test kit, doing the soil analysis, yes, it takes a few hours. Yeah? But if you do it with a group of farmers, you will see that the farmers suddenly understand how you come to your recommendations.
We are committed to ensuring this project succeeds. We give you all the necessary support. We have enough manpower, technical manpower.
So the other thing, we appreciate Maif for providing us the livestock refrigerator, pharmaceutical fridges for the cold chain system. Yeah, we have 3 fridges which can store more than 100,000 doses of vaccine.
Ebindi byorekyerire kukorwa n'okureeta ekyoma ky'okukyebera itaka bakamanya ekikana amaani g'orwezo ekirahwera abahingi n'abariisa omu district yacu Ruhura.
And to know what exactly is happening in their soils. How can they improve the soil fertility, the fertilizers to use to apply? So here, really they are enjoying the job.
Really, I have used the use of soil test kits in the context of farmer field schools. We analyzed all the soils of the member farmers using the soil test kits. They all became little laboratory people.
Evyona nibiza kukorwa hansi ya project erikumanywa nka Uganda Climate Smart Transformation Project kurabira Ministry y'Obuhingi n'Oburiisa.
Government kureta project y'abantu ninga group bakuteekamu obucweka 20 bwonka government ekabatera obucweka cyane harigana bwa inputs na n'ibintu byone bari kukozesa n'ikintu cyango munonga tukisimira government tukisimira World Bank funding tukisimira Ministry of Agriculture.
Amakoraga gashakwa Paul Turiamureba.